Regular dryer vent cleaning is a critical part of maintaining multi-unit properties. With over 10 years of experience, Black Tie's technicians are highly trained to inspect and clean dryer and duct systems using advanced, professional-grade equipment. As lint and other debris accumulate in the dryer vent, airflow becomes restricted, forcing the dryer to work harder and run longer, increasing energy usage and utility bills. Blockages can also cause moisture buildup, leading to potential wall or ceiling damage. To prevent these issues, annual professional cleaning is recommended. When servicing our customers, we begin by accessing the interior dryer vent system. If necessary, our technicians will use an air dolly to safely move the dryer units to gain access to the venting hose. After removing the interior hose, a high-pressure air compressor pushes debris from the ducts to the building's exterior. Black Tie technicians will then remove any remaining debris from the surrounding area and clear the unit's lint trap, ensuring your space is left spotless and in better condition than we found it. We then access the exterior dryer vents using a boom lift, ladder, or rope access, depending on the safest approach. A reverse air blower is carefully inserted into the vent, and debris is dislodged by gently rotating the line while removing it. This process is repeated until the vents are completely clear. With minimal disruption to the customer, Black Tie ensures your dryer vent systems are free of debris and damage, allowing for faster drying times, reduced energy bills, and the peace of mind that comes with a safer property. Contact us today to schedule your property's next cleaning. Black Tie, bringing a human touch to building maintenance.